Okay, this is easy.
Again, you cannot say. Okay.
Don't say it.
Butterfly, butterfly.
Fly. Kahin ke liye?
That's
This is hard, but I mean, I guess it's
Tell
not
me
terribly
about
hard
you.
because
tail. Hadus. Hadus is mine. Hadu.
This is hard.
Panduranga. Oh.
When you might not get this one.
Hadu. Hadutan.
English.
Heart. Heart.
You
How many
little,
words?
you little fart.
Wait, how many words?
Oh, you little fart. I never said that word, but that's okay.
Farting. Farted.
That's the word, right? Wait.
Cinch.
Wait, no. I.
Bench.
Alright.
One word. In half.
Half of it.
This part. First half. Jaw.
Sune.
Paw. Arm. Back. Fur. Fur part. Fur bended. Fur leaf.
Furly.
Fur leaf. Mr. Fur drink. Fur coat. Second word. Second part of the word.
Oh.
Furniture. Fur beer. Fur beer. Fur drink. Fur water. Wine. Fur cabinets. Fur clothes.
Furniture.
Is this my
Furnace.
furniture?
It's a one-syllable word. It's trying to give you a
Drink.
letter.
Milk. Water.
Dirty cut. Dirty cut.
A drink.
Cooking?
Shake.
Cook करते कोई जाना?
Tea. Birdie. Birdie.
Wait, don't say the second part of that.
Tea. Fur tea.
What did you say? What did you say? Say what you said again.
Dirty Furdy.
And to say the first syllable.
Dirty, 40, 22.
Fur.
Kisane, what is
I
that?
have no idea what that
What did he say?
That's it, one word for.
What did he say? What was that?
is. I have no
It's
idea.
What?
vintage. You got it.
What is that?
Fur is a fart.
Fur. Remember you
Look, I don't
Okay.
Kisane.
Instead of fart, I used to say fart. So they knew the difference between fart.
English, first word. No. Fifth word. Snub. Nose.
No.
Nobody knows. Fourth word.
Fourth word.
Run.
running.
Run nose.
No runny nose. Only coughing.
What is it?
No runny nose.
Say the full
Only
thing.
coughing. No coughing, only runny nose.
Oh my god. Okay, ready?
Vacuum.
Vacuum
Ironing.
the shirt. Iron the shirt. Iron the shirt. Clean. Dry clean. Iron.
Laundry.
Get ready. Press.
Turn the iron off.
Iron.
Check the iron.
Range.
Yeah, you check the iron. Okay. Okay, so
10 words. 12 words. 17.
yeah.
10 words. 12 words.
12 words.
It's
Yeah.
Konkani. English.
Now.
English or Konkani? English. 12 words. So it's a song. It's a saying.
It's not 12 words.
It's not 12 words. How many words is it?
Okay, hold on.
12.
Third word.
Run.
Running. Run. March.
Jump. March.
Fourth word.
Past. March. Band.
Intention.
Marching band.
Fourth word. 4, 3, 6. Left.
March. Third word is March.
January, February, March, and April. 12 months.
So we've got it so far.
5th month. May.
Okay.
May.
Wait, hold on. So
Oh, May.
Name.
Remember May?
it's May.
May.
It's May. It's basically excuse me, May.
May.
Okay, Kari.
To make fun of me, right? I'm saying like May.
Wait, hold on.
You can't talk.
Can't talk.
Drive. Motor coach.
How do you know what?
No, it's comes here.
Yeah.
Kalp
Kalp.
is missing.
Yeah.
We don't have that many left. So.
Kalp has a
So
couple.
even simple things in life can make a lot of difference, right? All these things.
Fish. Machli. Fish.
Appa nandat, no?
Nadu. Good. Good.
Oh, no, sorry.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, kasala modo. Yeah, kasala modo.
Twice?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, she missed a couple.
Yeah.
Can you use props?
Yeah.
Phone. Talk on the phone.
Hello.
English?
Ah,
English?
Purnima leta. We'll go.
If I,
Yeah, but
if I
it's kind
say,
of
for
You're
me.
introducing yourself. It's like we
For-
never talk, so we would
No, it is not
recognize you.
introducing.
Oh,
Just
okay.
okay. We can talk about it.
Ah,
Yeah.
gada leta. Gada. Bangira.
And then, are we going this way, right?
No coughing, only running nose. What is
It's
that?
done. So that's what she used to tell the pediatricians about her kids.
This is gonna be hard.
Is it English?
Wait, hold on.
Kind of. Yeah, mostly, but not really.
4 words. Maybe 4.5, 5.
Fourth word.
4th word.
When. Fourth word is when.
Wait.
First.
2nd.
Second.
Sorry.
Fourth word is when. First part.
Half of first part of 4th word.
Sounds like when.
Huh.
Min. Jim. Kim.
When.
Rim. Kim.
When.
Sounds like when.
When?
Okay.
Win. Fourth word, first part is win. Winner. Winning. Win. Da. Fourth word, first part is win. Second part is
Las Vegas. When Las Vegas. I call him some
win.
dude. Stud.
Win. Chester. Win. Sounds like.
Sounds like.
Yes.
Yes.
Nod. Vinod. Vinod.
Hi, my name is Vinod. Is that close?
Yeah.
This, no, remember one thing? As Americans, I think, you know.
American.
How would I say like Vinod?
said it. I was so
I'm your
Okay.
mom, I mean.
How many words? Oh my God. 7 words. Okay.
Do you remember when you said they
7
think,
words.
They think my name is Vinod.
Second word.
2nd word. Oh, India. Winch.
Girl. Sister. Her.
3. Oh,
Me. You. You.
you.
What's the second word is you? Do you? Hey, you? Oh, it's over there. It's over here. It's over there. Oh my god, it's for the next clue.
Wait.
Fourth word. Sad.
Oh, when you feel sad, I feel sad.
I didn't think that one would actually.
I don't know about this. I don't know how this is related to me, but I'll do it anyway.
Hold on.
How many words?
You.
Wait, one second.
Second word. 2 words.
2 words.
Mom. Me.
Me.
Mom. Me.
Mommy.
Me.
Tom.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Canina. Chest.
Prima.
Treasure.
Chest. Me inside.
My
My heart. Heart. Me.
I.
Huh? Me.
I.
I.
Together.
Me. Mommy. Mom. Wife. Kanima. Where are you going?
Walking.
Plant.
Cactus. You like cactus. You like plants. Plant.
Don't touch the plant. Plant me. Plant me.
You know this one.
Plant.
Me
You
plant.
have to say it really like
Me plant.
loud, like.
Me.
I plan.
Me plant.
I will plant. Plant me.
Finch.
My plant.
Plant. Oh, my plant.
Oh,
Plant. My plant.
Vinya, this is like, playing the Wheel of Fortune. If you have couple of letters, you can.
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
Okay, it's a hard one, okay?
Can you stand?
How many words?
Side, babe?
Hmm?
Can you stand up a little?
Yeah.
Only one word.
English.
Me. Vin. Son. Vin.
Vincent.
Vinvinch.
Grinch.
Vanya.
Vinvinch.
Vinci. Da Vinci.
Vinvinch.
Vinvinch at yahoo.com.
Yeah.
Anniversary vacation gift given by kids.
I think it was, what is a cruise?
No.
No,
Vacation
what
gift.
is Antigua?
Yes. Good. All right, Vinod, you.
I'll take 1984 for 300.
1984 for 300. Location of the first big vacation mom and dad took with the children.
Cape Cod.
What is
Yes.
it? Oh, wow.
Cape Cod.
Skip.
Oh my god.
Did you know that or you just guessed?
I just guessed it. I have no answer.
Provincetown, actually.
Okay.
2004 to 2013 for 300.
These are the dates of mom's children's weddings.
May 13th,
What is-
2006 and November
November
8th, 2009.
Good.
What is? 1953 to 1963 for 100.
Did anybody ask me a question on except Coke?
I got Cape Cod right.
No way.
First
Okay.
vacation.
The names of all the mom's siblings.
Okay. Kusuma.
In order.
That's not the
No.
question.
Names of all the mom's siblings.
Kusuma.
Rajalakshmi, Harish,
Rajlakshmi.
Subhas,
Vidya.
Dimanu.
Kusuma,
Dimanu.
Satya.
Hari.
You did good job.
I got him.
Subhash.
That,
I got him.
But we asked her, she was supposed to.
Don't put a good job.
No, she
Thanks.
did.
I
She
got
didn't get it.
She got
I
it.
got everything.
Yeah, she got. Okay, go ahead.
1964 to 1973 for 400.
For 400. The city where mom and dad first met.
Bombay.
Yes.
1964 to 1973 for 500.
Mumbai.
The airport pier mom arrived
JFK.
for the first visit to the US. JFK. Yeah. Go ahead.
1953 for 200.
तू मेमोरी करतास की ना?
Wait, cut this.
Is it?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. The names of mom's parents.
Vijayalakshmi and Chandra.
Yes. Chandrasekhar Pai. Good. Okay. Next.
300. Same category.
Same category. 300.
Good job, Vin.
The name of mom's only uncle.
Keshu.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah, very good.
Good, man.
Yeah.
Next category.
Same one, 400.
Who did this category? It's very nice category.
The name of mom's only aunt living in Mumbai.
Come on, you know that.
Maybe?
Huh?
No, only
Ma?
aunt.
Wait, on.
Arun Pachi's mom.
Oh,
Maybe?
Manmama.
Oh.
Where is it?
Manorama, but
It's called Manu. Manu.
okay,
Manu.
next category.
Clear it out. 500.
Wow. The location of mom's birth. Where was she born?
Food.
No, Buffalo.
Yes. Good.
ಕೊಂಡು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರಪ್ತು ಕಲ್ಪನಾ
Okay,
ಲಾಗ್ಯವ್ರ
next.
ಅಪ್ತು ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ
94 to 2003 for 100.
In this year, mom and dad moved to Lake Jackson, Texas.
1998.
Yes. Good.
Alright.
Good job.
2003 for 200. No. Same category, 200.
Oh, good. Location of mom and dad's 25th wedding anniversary vacation.
Antigua. Didn't we already-
No. 25th anniversary.
You
Yeah.
just did that.
That was given by kids.
Oh.
But this they went on their own.
Oh.
I know this. I'm not gonna really play because I kind of.
Oh, you know.
No, you gotta play, dude.
Oh, she's the one who did the
She
play?
put this
Yeah.
together.
Ah.
Location of
Chile.
Italy.
no.
Can I? Can I?
Indonesia.
No.
South Africa. Yeah.
No.
Malaysia.
Another continent. It's a continent.
Thailand.
Hint.
Singapore.
Hint.
Thailand.
It's a continent.
Africa.
Australia.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
New
And
Zealand.
New Zealand.
yes. Okay, Sri, you pick.
2004 to 13 for 500.
Wow. Actually, we should have kept a score.
Yeah, you could give the things to whoever got it right, but it's okay.
Brand name of mom's most
Mazda.
expensive purse.
Mercedes.
Coach.
No, most expensive purse. I think she's it's
Louis
another
Vuitton.
brand name.
Yeah, she got it.
Oh, Louis Vuitton.
Yeah,
Oh,
Liv
Louis
got
Vuitton.
it. Excuse me, you have to say what is Louis Vuitton?
Okay, I'll
No, we. Minda, that was.
400, 2004.
I got it.
Yeah. We've been saying-
Number of mom's grandchildren.
3.
What is 3?
What is 3?
200.
You did. The judges would truly can you guys.
That was
Location of vacation taken with the Bandarkars.
5. Argentina, Los Cabos.
It's funny because that
Cruise.
came up today, right?
Scotland.
Yeah, that's good.
We went to Scotland.
What is?
That should
Good.
be
Did Scotland
500.
together?
Yeah,
Huh?
I could have this one.
Is Scotland together?
Yeah.
100.
Ireland. It's not.
This tropical storm hit when Win and India arrived in Houston for 24 hours in
Oh my
2001.
These are reverse.
Yeah, they said like the harder one should
Yeah,
be
it
more,
should be the other way. Yeah.
more money.
Elaine.
No, I don't think.
Jerry. George.
Cornelia.
Cindy.
Kramer.
Alicia.
Alicia.
Again, Alicia. Corona.
94 to 2003 for 300.
Mom's role in the first Konkani Sammelan in New Jersey.
Fashion show director.
Yes.
94 to 2003 for 400.
What is fashion show?
What is fashion show?
Lessons mom learned after moving to Lake Jackson.
Dancing.
Yes.
Piano, guitar. No,
Yeah.
Spanish. Spanish.
Spanish
Dancing.
And
and
piano.
dancing.
Piano.
84 to 93 for 500.
No, start easy, Paul.
Good honor, you can take right.
Okay. This pet lived in the
Kitty.
Butt household.
What is Kitty?
I know, but
Is that acceptable answer?
Impulse.
What is Kitty?
What was
What's
her,
the name?
What was her
Impulse.
Impulse.
The name of- I thought it was Tegan and Impulse.
Yeah. Chicken. Chicken.
okay.
Satin.
Chicken.
Okay, you get.
Huh?
You pick the select.
I will go like older ones, right? 300 or what category is that?
64 to 73. Mom's major at St. Agnes.
IT, technology.
Didn't happen that time.
English.
E. E for
English.
Economics.
economics. Economics.
Okay, next. Purnima, again you pick.
I will go like
Is she
I'll go the
older?
older ones.
She can't play.
She's gonna know all of them.
Oh,
They
okay.
were not born, right?
No,
Huh?
toss up.
64 to 73.
Huh.
Yeah. 200. Or yeah,
Beauty pageant won by mom.
Miss St. Agnes.
oh my God, you know.
Okay, Vinod, go.
What is Miss? Same category for 100.
Yeah.
There is no.
Yeah, you will know.
100.
Oh, 100. I heard 400.
Well, I'm impressed by
Yeah.
your
The city
observations.
mom lived in for high school during her high
Yeah.
school days.
Yeah.
Well,
Yes.
Oh my God, when you know all
what
that,
is that?
The
when
same as the place
When?
you born.
I'm impressed.
With
You guys
Mimi.
know all you were before you were
Which
born.
category? Next.
Mimi?
Huh?
Select.
You live
Word.
with your grandmother?
Yeah.
What did I do? I took
74
you-
for 200.
I took
74
you all
for
those
200.
places.
Mom's first employer in America.
AT&T.
No.
No.
First employer.
Northwest
The
Mortgage.
one that got
No.
bankrupt. What was it?
You were before. No.
Rickles.
Yes.
When do you know
India you select one.
I'll take 1984 to 1993 for 400, please.
Okay. But this is a toss up, let's say, okay. Location of the first big vacation mom and dad took without
Okay,
children.
I have a I think it's New Orleans.
No,
No.
without children.
Arizona.
Vacation.
Vacation. Without children,
The big vacation?
we went to a big vacation. And
Okay.
she was not happy at all. I mean,
I
she
know
came-
which, I know.
Francisco?
No.
No.
Closer. Go further.
Canada.
Go further in the, go
Alaska.
Alaska.
You went all
Where were
We
we?
went to the Alaska
You were
cruise.
working in Mobile and
95.
Vindhya was
Yeah.
in,
Wait,
Vindhya was,
beg to
Vindhya stayed with
differ.
Shilpa, I think.
Wait, wait, I beg to differ. You went on a vacation before that to New Orleans, where Vin stayed with. I stayed with Natalie, and Vin stayed with
David.
the Abruzos.
Yeah, but you know, that is, that's dad's interview with
That
Aramas.
was in
Aramco.
high school. Yeah.
No, it's
There was not a vacation.
it's like Houston we went.
Yeah, we went to Houston one weekend.
Yeah, one
Friday.
weekend we
It
went.
was New Orleans.
No, Houston.
No, from Houston we drove to New Orleans because, you know, it was one of our earlier trips, right?
No, we went to meet at BSF for a.
Wait, no, Houston, we went to Aramco interview. After the interview.
Okay, next category. Okay,
This is
Vinod,
debatable.
no, Kalpana.
Okay, that's
before.
okay. We will accept it as vacation.
74 for 300.
Vindhya,
74
we'll split
for-
Alaska and Louisiana.
In this year, mom and dad bought their first home.
1979.
No,
77.
First home.
Same as 1978. 78.
78.
78.
Yeah, 76.
No, 7.
Long Valley?
76 first home,
Long Valley?
Right.
not a new home. First home. In Piscataway we bought the
Oh,
home.
so we know just born. Vindhya was not born.
Yeah.
Long Valley.
Okay, you pick.
Oh, so that's why the first address was Piscataway.
Yeah.
Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
So 400 for 1974. Yeah.
The first new car mom and dad bought.
Mazda.
Impala.
No, first new car.
We,
Honda
we like in
No,
winter.
Plymouth Horizon.
I know.
We like in winter.
Oh, it's the
Beetle.
Yeah.
Yeah, orange. Beetle.
Okay.
500. Oh,
You
you
paid for that
took
car. They didn't pay you.
Which one?
Same category, 500.
The hospital where both mom's children were born.
I know.
We're playing for
No, Muhlenberg Hospital.
Muhlenberg Hospital in Plainfield. Alright, you go.
You didn't say it
No,
right.
Vince got it.
She wrote the answer, so
84 for 100.
84 for 100. At this company where mom worked, the boss's daughter drove a Saab.
Northwest.
Coming up a lot. That was really memorable, huh? That's
Okay.
Who's the boss, Mom?
AT&T.
Huh?
Shirley.
Who's the
Harry.
boss?
Where? No.
Vin
Northwest.
Harry Noritis.
Who?
Harry
Okay.
Mauridis.
Moritis.
Okay.
Greek.
What's the answer?
Okay.
Northwest Mortgage Company.
Northwest Market. Okay.
Shelley's dad.
Mom's, okay, this is a very interesting question. Mom's last employer before she joined AT&T.
Is that Computer Horizons? What
Yeah.
is it?
Well, Computer Horizons, they got me the job at it.
Yeah.
This is CPS, right?
CPS, Computer Peripheral.
Peripheral Sciences.
Oh, right. I remember that.
Remember?
Alright, now comes, hello,
Double Jeopardy.
wake up. This
This
is
is
the
kinda
final Jeopardy. This is the toss up, whoever gets the correct answer.
There's only one right
I didn't
answer.
know that you guys are,
So creative, huh?
who is mom's favorite child? It is, both are same.
What is
Who
Vince?
did this?
It was a joke.
Joe.
Oh.
Good job, kids.
Both of you guys. All of you guys, sir.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
बंद
Thank you so much.
क्या है?
No, बंद करनी है तो I want to say thank you, right?
Now,
Right?
okay, now I'm
Thank-
getting speech करियो. You can
Ango
come
भी
in
सुन
touch.
कुछ just
See,
make it casual, right? It's not really
You wanna tape
speech, right?
I can see you. Tera
I don't know what to say.
Tera pun sanga, whatever, you know. I-
when I'm sleeping, I think it's...
I don't see you here. Okay, Sanga.
Okay, so
Mom, you look like Short. Short looks like you in this picture.
yeah,
This is a
I know. Other than just told Mama that
There's some other pictures.
my granddaughters, both of them look like me when I was little.
little baby.
okay.
So what should I do? How should I thank you guys? 1 thanks, 2 thanks, 3 thanks, 4 thanks, 5 thanks. Honest thanks. I'm touched
Did you have
by
fun?
your
You
all
have
the
good-
things
did
you have
you
done.
Good
And
time.
Did you have
I-
fun?
I had great time. All the love that you poured and planned all this and represented it really well. I really want that. With all that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for coming to Grand Cayman and spending a long weekend together. But
Our
you
pleasure.
guys really,
We had fun.
went
we had-
out of your way to make me feel special, and thank you very much.
It was our
And we
pleasure.
You know,
Put a lot of love, and
Yeah.
it's really important. Right? Love is the key in life, right? So love makes everything work in life. So keep doing that. Love each other, care for each other, get it going. That makes me happy. That's all life is about, right?
and the best part is you are able to drag your little ones and come.
Right. That's
It's really, it's not that easy.
Yeah, that's not easy, and I'm sorry I pulled you guys into this, but we had great time, right?
Yeah, it was
Cheers,
fun.
agree, and
Yeah. It was
you
a
created lots of memories, fond memories. Lot of all these milestones. I had them listed, but you put them all of them in jeopardy. So it's the same list I had, like the precious moments and the milestones in my life. So let's keep. I'm looking for more of that. More celebrations, more milestones with your families. And all that, and then I'm praying lots of blessings from God to shower on our families. Thank you so much again, and I want to just end up with a quote from Ravi Shankar. Right?
Ooh.
Sri Ravi Shankar. I think I must have told you this, but it's the same quote. Ravi Shankar, when he put it together like this, right? When sound is stretched, it becomes music, right? When movement is stretched, it becomes dance. When mind is stretched, it's meditation, right? When love is stretched, it is celebration.
Yes, very good.
Yeah. So thank you so much for a great time of the get together. And you all have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Thank you for the Jeopardy, fun-filled Jeopardy. Thanks for participation and then the kids and everything. So thank you
Happy
again
birthday.
for all the Grand Cayman,
It was awesome.
freezer food.
Thank you
But
for turning
very much
60.
Thanks for bringing us
Thanks
together.
for 60.
Thanks for turning 60.
60 tops, so 60 best things in my life.
Thanks
So it
for
was
the trip.
Oh, you're welcome. So, look forward for more.
The celebrations shall continue.
Grandkids certainly made it special, right?
Sorry they couldn't make it for
Should
this
we wake 'em
party,
up?
Oh, they're here.
Let's
but
wake
this
them up.
one, this
Yeah.
specific one.
I mean,
They're too young for Jeopardy.
Yeah.
so we did that, right, their part.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you again.
But you
And
know
my husband,
Where is he?
my love of life, he made all these things possible.
Whoa.
See that? And Dad was always, he made it very interesting, the life. Lot of fun, and everything I say, like he has something to say and make me laugh, so that gets going. So,
Okay, let's do a group hug. Group hug.
yeah, group hug.
Group hug.
Group hug.
that-
How do you take a picture of the group hug? Yeah, come and
Hold on, I'll just come now.
Be part of
See,
group
no,
hugs
see,
button.
come. See, you stand here
Yeah.
and then we take picture. That's what I mean.
Okay,
Come.
group hug.
Yeah, come.
What was the answer?
Wait, I'll show you something which is pretty cool.
That no answer.
There's only one right answer.
All of you guys. I got 5 more.
Alright, everyone. One,
No, it's already
two.
there on the.
No, you forgot to mention.
Oh, okay.
Come.
It's 12 seconds, so it'll take a while, so get ready. Get your smiles going.
See, good job. I never did automatic. Yeah.
He's a pro. He's a pro.
Wow. Do you want to do one more?
We can keep doing it.